Today I'm going to show you how to change your parental controls PIN in Epic Games quickly and safely. This is a simple process, but if you've forgotten your PIN or just want to update it for better security, this guide will walk you through every step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming tech guides. Let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the official Epic Games portal. Make sure you're using the correct Epic Games website so you can access your account securely. Once the portal loads, look at the left-hand sidebar menu. You should see several account options listed there, and you want to click on Parental Controls. This will take you to the Settings area, where your current parental control options are managed. Next, the system will ask you to enter your current 6-digit PIN. Carefully type it into the prompt, making sure every number is correct, then click Confirm. If the PIN is entered correctly, you'll be allowed into the parental control settings. After that, look at the top of the main window under General Settings. There, you should see a section called Manage Your Parental Control PIN. This is the part you need in order to update your code. Click Change PIN to begin the update process. Now type in your preferred new 6-digit PIN. Choose something secure that you can remember, but that other people won't easily guess. Once you've entered the new PIN, click Change PIN again to confirm and save your updated security profile. After that, your Epic Games Parental Controls PIN will be updated successfully. It's a good idea to keep your new PIN stored safely somewhere private, especially if you think you may need it later. And that's all it takes to change your parental controls PIN in Epic Games. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.